we're stopping for a break now. So at the station, the local people, they're trying to sell food here, for the apples and or bread, whatever, and chickens. That's how they make money here, I guess. Mm. 5 or 6 more hours to get to Moscow. It's getting colder and colder as I get to Moscow. What is she selling over there? Batteries? Yes. So after 9,255 kilometers from Vladivostok, I am finally in Moscow. It was a long journey. No more Trans-Siberian Railway. Metro in Moscow. What's up, guys? A lot of people are gonna get on. Yeah. So I went out last night for drinking. I walked a lot at the central city, and I do kind of remember the street. I think I was walking on that way. And I feel like I'm in Europe now, in Moscow. It's cool. So I didn't. Is it still filming? Okay. I didn't even know that you need to buy a ticket to go inside the Kremlin. Fuck. And I don't even know where we can buy the ticket here. It's a nice view, beautiful city, awesome weather. A lot of people on Saturday.
Правильно? Вот у нас тоже бытовая. You have a green?
I only have 50 rubles.
100 rubles.
100 rubles? Can you hold my camera?
It's not big money. Правильно, девушка?
Да.
100 rubles. Change, I give change. Давай, I give change.
Oh yeah, you have change?
I have many change.
You have 400 rubles?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, you want 100 too? Okay. I thought you had to gather a couple of Thank you. Yeah, it's alright.
Really?
Yeah. I know, I mean, okay, so this right here is the Red Square. No, it's called Red Square. Red Square. Beautiful buildings, very European style buildings. See that building over there? That's cool too. Yeah. I love it, Moscow. It's very colorful and, you know, many tourists, I guess many European tourists too. People are smiling. I really like it. More fun, a lot of stuff's going on here. The statue right there. Is that Lenny again? No, it's not. Okay. So I and my friend are hungry now. We're gonna go to the food court nearby. Try to get some dinner, early dinner. It's only what? It's 5:30 now, but it's alright. Alright, thank you. Okay, I'm at the food court now. Trying to get a food. I have decided to get a food from Los Pollos Bandidos right there. I get some wings. I love chicken wings. Oh, I'm super hungry now. Yep. Just waiting for my friend now. Alright, so I got mad. I've ordered 8 pieces of buffalo chickens, buffalo wings, but it came like no sauce on it, or no sauce inside. It was just the regular chicken wings. I've just had a 1 piece. This. See? Does it look like a buffalo wings to you? I mean, it's not focusing right, but it's not. I don't know, in the US or in Japan, this is not called buffalo wing, but maybe in Russia it's called a buffalo wing, I don't know. Anyways, I said what I wanted to say to that guy over there. Not even fucking buffalo wings, man. It's just a fried chicken. It's okay, I'm just filming. I'm angry. I paid for the tourists. If you want to get buffalo wings, that's not the place, you know, you want to get it from. Yeah. If you order buffalo wings from there, this is what you get. Just a regular chicken wing. But the hamburger is still good. I was a bit mad. I'm alright. This is Mongolia. Beautiful street with a lot of lights. Very beautiful, huh?